Meteorologist, Hemlock City. It is, what is it? Today's Wednesday. It's hump day. Alrighty. Got some thunderstorms already coming through the Ohio Valley this morning. There's probably going to be some severe thunderstorms here in the mid-Atlantic states today. Even some severe storms probably back into parts of the Ohio Valley too, and some storms out here through the western states. And we're also watching this area down here by Florida for some tropical problems that we might have to deal with as well. In fact, if we go to the satellite picture, there's that system down in here. You can kind of see a little bit of a swirling going on there, but it's going to propagate over toward the Texas coast and may try to develop into a tropical depression over the next day or so. And then you can see this front that's starting to come up through. This front's not going to bring very much in the way of any relief to anybody. It will bring some storms through, that's for sure. Look at the severe storms for today. A big area of severe storms today through the Mid-Atlantic, New York City, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington. Looks like a line of storms will form early and then propagate eastward. It might be a second line of storms that come through that area as well. Wind damage certainly will be the problem since it is so hot outside. It's always the issue with these kind of storms is the wind damage. This is tomorrow. Still some storms here. There's probably going to be a slight risk of severe weather through this area for tomorrow again, as I see it. And it's just because we have these fronts that are just trying to get through here, but really all they're doing is just playing the Wizard of Oz and going, "I'm melting." They just don't make it. It's just too hot outside. All right, and then the next day here, nothing. We're back up in the northern plain states for some severe storms. The computer vol models, there's that tropical system heading over to the Gulf Coast. Another one out here we're watching. That one's a pretty good one. In fact, that's the satellite picture. There it is. Look at it swirling around out there. It's already well developed. Very well developed system out there. And that one's going to head over toward the Windward Islands. This one's heading over toward the Gulf of Mexico. That's one we got to watch for development here over the next couple of days. And this is a NAM model. You can see the thunderstorm distribution here. Line of thunderstorms coming through Pennsylvania all the way down to Hagerstown. Then they head eastward today over toward Philadelphia and New York City, the Hudson Valley. Again, a lot of wind damage reports coming. Then there's sort of a second broken line coming in behind that as well. And this is a NAM's depiction of that system by tomorrow here across the Gulf Coast there with the showers and thunderstorms down in there. So again, we'll have to watch it. It might be depression by the time it makes it to the coast. The GFS model is sort of versus the Inca model really has a nice little storm, almost tropical storm here by the coast. So again, this thing could spin itself up pretty quickly as it heads over to the Texas coast. All in all, it's going to bring some pretty good rains, as it looks right now, over to Texas. And it's a quick and dirty one today because I don't have a whole lot of time. Just want to get something out there. All right, that's it for now. Meteorologist, New York City.